What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today we're going to a meet. I'm meeting up with Diego right now. I'm a little late already, so Diego, if you're watching this, sorry. But let's go ahead and head over and meet up with him. I'm gonna get my M, man. You mark my words. That shit tough. Look, M4. That shit sounds good too. That shit tough. I need one. You guys gotta keep liking these videos, man. I need to get me one. I need to work harder. Only Subaru at a Honda meet. Fuck it though, we ball. Look at Diego flexing. I think I still need to get me a Type R, bro. I'm gonna still own one. An FL5 though, for sure. The red guts. And it's a manual. Big baller. Get one of those.
I was.
I mean, like right now, and your BMW.
Nah.
You're rich enough?
Hell no. Nice, they just went up.
Really? Little GTR action. No, you probably can't hear me because the music's too loud, but this shit is mint. I like the color. It's not even the same color I was thinking about doing on the BRZ. Yeah, I like it. It's a good day when you get to work on the car. California is literally in a heat wave right now, but I have something to put on this on the BRZ, and that's some spacers. I was trying to get wheels for the BRZ, but nobody has the wheels that I want in stock, so I got to do spacers for now. But it's fine because I got those for a deal. But California is like in a super heat wave right now, so I'm actually going to bring the BRZ in so I'm not working in the sun. I'm not gonna lie, chat. It's freaking hot as hell, boy. Should have wore shoes. Hopefully these will fit. I'm gonna go put some shoes on now. Oh my days, it is hotter than hot. I'm wearing a microphone The dryer's on, but I'm pretty sure you guys can probably still hear it. This is where I kind of wish I had my own shop. I'll put these on. Hopefully these fit on here as they should. One thing I hate about working on cars is having to record everything while you do it. It's a little bit of a pain. I gotta stop, make sure I'm recording. Good. Nice little 15 mil on there. Obviously I'm gonna torque it down, so I'm gonna torque it down right now. I think I'm still gonna rub, to be honest with you. I was gonna go lower, but I don't think I can. Oh shoot. That was good though. Let's get the fronts going. Oh shoot. It's hot, bruh. Keep saying it. But rears are done. Focus on the fronts. I'm trying to get this thing done as fast as possible. I don't want to be out here too long. I might go insane. I don't have any wheel chocks. Which is something I should invest in. But I mean, it is what it is. The other day when we did the coilovers, which are holding up fantastic by the way, when we did the rear of the fronts, I mean, it started rolling a little bit. I've never had a rear wheel drive car, so I never had to deal with anything like that. Yeah, quite amazing experience. But I was able to catch it, so that's always a plus. But yeah, coilovers holding up nice. I don't know if you guys been seeing what's going on in the car community, but and how they're getting burnt out and how AI is kind of taking over all the video styles, which kind of sucks. To be honest with you, I'm obviously in that same boat. I don't have production money. All I got is the little money I got. We try to make the most of it though. Torque down the wheels real quick. Kind of frustrating the small people with smaller subscribers is such myself. Hopefully YouTube goes back to the way that it was. Those were the better days. Who knows where content's gonna go. I feel like that's what's wrong with modern car culture. Is one, there's too much AI. And everyone try to build too fast. Why not take the time with the builds and build something you might enjoy versus try to make a whole build in one video. What happened to those days? I feel like the car scene's changed in the last like 2, maybe even 3 years, especially this last year alone. Still more genuine than this anymore. No one builds the car to them. They build it to everyone else. Like genuinely think about it. How are you supposed to grow an audience as a smaller YouTuber who doesn't have thousands to spend on a video? I can't be the only one. Again, that's just me, but I mean, everyone's valid to their own opinion, I guess. But on a brighter note, I'm done. See how it'll look. I think we're solid on the path. Not too shabby. Could use a little bit more lower. I mean, maybe because we're up in the air right now, but let's see. Let's tweak these wheels down, get it off the wood. See how she really looks. See what this thing's talking about. So hot in here. I'm out of breath. Me and Nancy been going to the gym, playing pickleball, trying to get back in shape. But let's see how this thing looks. Hopefully no rubbing. Oh, we're money. For sure no rubbing. Dude, I washed this car like a few days ago and it's already dusty. I gotta lower it more now. Not as low as I want to be. Not exactly where I want it to be. I mean, you kind of get a better idea now, I guess. It doesn't look bad. I just, knowing me, I want to bring it down more. But definitely adds a lot more depth to it. Dang it, bro. Now I gotta slam it more. I do have a lot more room to do all that, but damn, that sun is bright. Not something I wanted to do right now, which I'm not going to. I'll save that for another day. Dang it, bro. If you guys know me, I like my shit slammied. Grand slammied. I mean, realistically, probably like maybe another inch in the rear, inch and a half in the front. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look the greatest either. I want to not be able to see the top of the tire, but you can kind of see. I want it to be like right here. Then I might run into fitment issues, so we're gonna let it rock like that. Hope I don't rub. And then I think we're going to a cruise on Sunday, which is the SoCal cruise. So if you guys are gonna be there and you guys are in Orange County, want to meet up, DM me. I'll put my Instagram below. We can link up, drive up there. This thing also needs an alignment, but I think I'll get it later. Freaking looks good though, dude. I'm happy with it. Needs a lip, side skirts. Kind of mad I couldn't get my wheels, but I mean, it is what it is at the end of the day. I have them on like full stiff on the dampeners. And even though I'm going to the gym, these titties still be bouncing. These tickle bitties. So I believe these are 30 way, so I'll probably go halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we'll do this side. That's 15 right there. And I also saw one thing on TikTok too. I'm gonna find out if this is true or if we can debunk it. I saw that the US DMs add like a charcoal filter in here. Oh, they do. How do I get that out? Dude, is this aftermarket intake box? How do I get that out? They have like a little charcoal filter. I guess it's only the US market that has this for like emissions. And I hope, I was told this helps with a little bit of the throttle lag we might get, which I definitely do notice on this car. Yeah, see, it's like a little charcoal thing. I don't know. Holy fuck, I'm exhausted. I wonder if that actually did a difference, or if I just ripped that out for no reason. Gonna end the video here. Looks pretty good in my opinion. I am gonna lower it obviously now that I'm looking at it. Imagine if I had wheel fitment. This would not fly. Ain't that right? Wouldn't fly. It's too high. Needs more low. I softened the suspension too in the front.
Thank God.
I told him my boobies were jiggling.
Thank God. I like it when your boobies jiggle.
What the? Okay, next video we'll probably be going to the cruise, which I might just do a POV of that, and then I gotta lower it, so who knows, maybe I'll make it a video. I'm trying to make longer videos for you guys, probably like 25 minutes minimum, because that's what YouTube wants and that's in their algorithm. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. So there's gonna be a lot of yapping sessions in here. All right, so yeah, expect longer videos after this one, 25 minutes minimum. And yeah, hopefully boy can get back into the algorithm, because right now it ain't working. So do your boy a favor, like the videos, comment, sub. Let me know if you guys want to see longer content. Let me know if you guys like the short content. I'm probably gonna do longer content anyways. Let me know what I should do for the BRZ. I know what lip I want to go with. I'm not gonna say what it is yet. And I know what side skirts I want to go with as well. Also had my mind on what wheels I wanted, but nobody has them in stock, so That's why we're running the spacers. So pretty much gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. Catch you on the next one. Peace.